Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fuel chainsaw rust step by step. First, cool the engine and wear gloves and eye protection. Always work outdoors or in a ventilated area and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Check fuel mix ratios and avoid old gas that can promote rust. Clean the filler area before opening to prevent debris falling into the tank. Follow these safe steps to protect your saw and reduce corrosion. Start by stabilizing the chainsaw and activating the chain brake, then set the saw on a level surface. Remove the tank cap only after wiping around it with a clean cloth to stop dirt from entering. If fuel is older than a month or smells sour, drain it using proper disposal methods and dry the filler area. Keeping the tank clean and starting with fresh fuel helps prevent internal rust and keeps the engine running smoothly. When refueling, use a clean funnel or spout to minimize spills and limit fuel exposure to air. Prepare the correct fuel-oil ratio if your chainsaw is two-stroke, following the manual to avoid engine damage. Pour slowly, stop before the tank is full, then tighten the cap firmly and wipe any drips immediately. Proper filling technique and tidy cleanup reduce oxidation risk and help prevent rust from forming inside or around the tank.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.